The loudest hiccups. Are you looking out the window? Oh, honey, she's got those hiccups. Hi. They're the loudest hiccups I think I've ever heard. Make the kissy face. Oh. Okay.